Alright, Graham. Here's the Hilux.
Mate, I'm a bit unsure about this. A Y62 for a Hilux. The good thing is you've got a mixed canopy on the back of both of these.
Yeah.
Have a bit of a rummage around wheels later and see what's going on. But
Yeah.
folks, don't expect this kind of courtesy car every time you come down to a Adventure 4x4. I've got a bit of special treatment here today, but mate, take my pride and joy. And I'll grab this one out.
Yeah.
I'll look at it now, so.
Yeah.
The guys are fitting a brake controller for me down here because I'm about to hook up a caravan and I'm literally doing a lap of Australia.
Yes.
Looking forward to it. It's going to be great.
Big
But
trip.
yeah, mate, I'll take the courtesy car for now. Good luck with the big girl.
I'll look after her and make sure.
She's a bit muddy underneath.
Yeah, she is. Yeah.
She's been used.
Yeah.
All right, leave you with it.
I'll
I'll see you in an hour or so. Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Ready to go.
How'd you go? No dramas?
No dramas at all.
Front brakes in.
Front brakes in.
Hands
on. Yep. Ready to go. Ready to hit the road.
Don't want to tell you this, but next week I'm heading up to Nalu, into the Ningaloo coast, Ningaloo to the Kimberley region across to Darwin, Darwin into Kakadu, Kakadu all the way across to Arnhem. Enjoy your week at work, my friend.
Jealous, mate.
Folks, like I've said before, Adventure 4x4, these guys look after me. If you're in WA, heck, if you're anywhere, if you're doing a big lap of Australia, drop in and see the guys. They've got all sorts of things on display. Mixed canopies down the back here.
Yep.
Top bunch of guys and girls. For now though, that's closed, that's unlocked. I always get so excited getting into a big 62. Tuck that out of the way. Let's see if she starts up. Starts up.
Perfect, mate.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Catch you next time.